How you doing? My name is Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio, and welcome to Tool Time Tuesday. Today I want to talk about the Harbor Freight Braun rechargeable LED work lights. These lights are normally $34. They just had a 20% off coupon, so I got them for around $26. They're rechargeable. They're really bright. You could set it for half power mode or full power mode or flash. In half power mode, there's more than enough light to do remote starts. You can toss them anywhere, whether we're doing amp installs. They're not magnetic or anything like that, but they are water resistant. They're rechargeable. They're pretty rugged. We've been using these for a couple of months now, and as you can see, they've held up pretty well. No cracks. They're fully charged in about an hour and a half. So we have 3 or 4 of them around the shop, so there's always one plugged in ready to use. On the back there's a little waterproof, water resistant flip cover. So it gives you your battery status and your charging port. As you can see, that one's fully charged. So after you're done charging, you close it up and you're good to go. Still have one of our favorites, the DeWalt swappable battery. Still have my personal one that my guys are not allowed to touch, but you're talking $200 for something like this, under $30 for something like this. So if you break it or lose it, it's no big deal. Keep a bunch of them around the shop for the guys to use. Increases productivity and gives you a ton of visibility. I was actually just doing a remote start with one of these under the dash. It lit the entire under dash area. I didn't even have to move it, just placed it on the floor. I was able to see all the ignition wires, every wire at the BCM. So not sexy, not fun, but inexpensive. Everybody should have a few. You're talking $100, you get 3 or 4 of them. Not a bad investment, and that's about it. Thank you. See you next week.